Officials say more than 4 million people in the United States got their COVID vaccine on Saturday. It's the nation's highest one-day total since the shots began being distributed. Officials say nearly 1 in 4 adults are now fully vaccinated here in the United States. And with so many Americans getting vaccinated, states and countries are trying out vaccine passports. Maybe you've heard about this. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo launched the Excelsior Pass, which is a free and voluntary mobile app that allows you to store your proof of vaccination or negative test result. Participating businesses can scan your QR code to verify your vaccination. Prime Minister Boris Johnson announced that England will test out a vaccine passport system as well as a way to help travel and large events. But not everyone's pushing the passport idea. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis has already banned state and local government agencies and businesses from requiring vaccine passports.
And back here at home, Governor Lamont is really staying hands-off when it comes to this issue.
Fox 61's Matt Caron looked into these big picture topics to see if Connecticut leaders have the appetite to implement any of these controversial policies.
Well, here we are at the P.T. Barnum Apartments in Bridgeport, where FEMA has their mobile vaccination clinic going on. And as this effort to get shots into arms kicks into high gear, there's also a political battle brewing over if you need proof of vaccination, whether there should be a vaccine passport of sorts to show that you actually got the shot.
How does Governor Lamont feel about a vaccine passport?
Going forward, though, Matt, you're absolutely right. I think you may find restaurants and other venues who decide maybe they want to emphasize people who have been vaccinated and let them in.
But he won't mandate it. So how does he feel about some businesses mandating the vaccine?
I think it makes a certain amount of sense. But again, I'm not going to mandate that. I think every business will decide for themselves.
The Community Renewal Team has already made that decision.
We do require all of our employees to be vaccinated.
They've granted exemptions to 4 of their employees who have expressed either a health or religious concern. CRT's programs bring them in close proximity to the elderly and homeless.
It's both to protect our own employees, of course, and to protect that very vulnerable population that we serve every day.
But the Connecticut Business and Industry Association told Fox 61, rather than mandating them, most businesses are encouraging and educating, and some
incentivizing them, maybe providing some employees with paid time off after they've had the vaccine, and or we've even heard some businesses providing monetary incentives to encourage people to get the vaccine.
Deepen Tima told Fox 61 he believes Connecticut is still about 6 months away from thinking about a vaccine passport.
There's some businesses where a vaccine passport could actually hurt their business. Let's say it's a restaurant. And so now I have a smaller pool of people who come and eat in my restaurant if I'm requiring them to have been vaccinated. Whereas an airline or a theater industry may lean more towards a vaccine passport because they want to make sure the people you're sitting next to have been vaccinated.
New York has partnered with a private company to implement a vaccine passport app, while Florida has banned the practice, citing freedom and big tech privacy concerns.
And the ACLU of Connecticut has also weighed in on this issue, saying that it's not just big tech privacy concerns, but that a passport system could potentially exacerbate issues that exist, including racial equity, disability, and economic disparities when it comes to administering the COVID-19 vaccine. Reporting in Bridgeport, Matt Caron, Fox 61 News.